3, 2, 1.
What was the first PlayStation game to require the use of the DualShock controller? The answer is B. Ape Escape. In the game Nuclear Throne, which character starts with the least HP? The answer is B. Melting. What is the official language of Costa Rica? The answer is C. Spanish. What is Gatomon's name in the original Japanese version of Digimon Adventure? The answer is A. Tailman. How many dice are used in the game of Yahtzee? The answer is B. 5. In Call of Duty Zombies, what is the name of Samantha Max's dog? The answer is B. Fluffy. Which of these is not a playable character in the 2016 video game Overwatch? The answer is A. Invoker. What is the name of the alcoholic beverage made from potatoes or grains that originates from Poland and Russia? The answer is D. Vodka. The voice actor for which Portal 2 character was not a TV or film actor prior to the game? The answer is B. Gila Das. What is the original name of Final Fantasy Roman 15? The answer is D. Final Fantasy vs. Roman 13. The longest shared border in the world can be found between which two nations? The answer is A. Canada and the United States. The Battle of the Somme in World War I took place in which country? The answer is C. France. When was Minecraft 1.0 released? The answer is A. November 18, 2011. What Cody death streak is only featured in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2? The answer is D. Copycat. What is the state capital of South Dakota? The answer is D. Pierre. Which American civilization is the source of the belief that the world would end or drastically change on December 21, 2012? The answer is A. The Mayans. Which term best describes the connection of two sections of a musical piece through a transitional passage? The answer is D. Bridge. Which of these European cities was the first to host the modern Summer Olympic Games 3 times? The answer is D. London. The collapse of the Soviet Union took place in which year? The answer is C. 1991. What is the hardest possible difficulty in Deus Ex, Mankind Divided? The answer is B. I never asked for this. When was Marvel Comics founded? The answer is A. 1939. Which is the national animal of India? The answer is C. Tiger. Prior to 2018, which car company is the only Japanese company which won the 24 Hours of Le Mans? The answer is D. Mazda. Which of these online games was originally named Linden World in its early development? The answer is B. Second Life. Which round does a WW2M1 Garand fire? The answer is D. 30-06. What is the capital of South Korea? The answer is C. Seoul. Leonardo DiCaprio won his first Best Actor Oscar for his performance in which film? The answer is B. The Revenant. The character Wario was first introduced in which game of the Mario video game franchise? The answer is A. Super Mario Land 2, 6 Golden Coins 1992. Which Overwatch character says the line "Heroes never die"? The answer is D. Mercy. What is dabbing? The answer is B. A dance. In Calvin and Hobbes, what is the name of Susie's stuffed rabbit? The answer is D. Mr. Lime. In Kingdom Hearts, what mission are Donald and Goofy assigned by King Mickey? The answer is A. To find the key bearer and stick with him. What is the scientific term for taste? The answer is B. Gustatory perception. Who invented the spanning tree protocol? The answer is C. Radia Perlman. Which Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle traditionally wears an orange bandana? The answer is B. Michelangelo. Who plays Alice in the Resident Evil movies? The answer is A. Mila Jovovich. In the co-op shooter Payday 2, which contact helps you break out Hoxton? The answer is B. The dentist. What was the name of the sea witch in the 1989 Disney film The Little Mermaid? The answer is D. Ursula. By which name is Ramona Stevens better known as? The answer is C. Martin Sheen. What word represents the letter T in the NATO phonetic alphabet? The answer is B. Tango. Which of these is not a song featured on the Lockjaw EP released in 2013 by Flume and Chet Faker? The answer is D. Left Alone. What color is Yuko Matoi's half of the scissor blade in the anime Kill la Kill? The answer is B. Red. Which of the following are cells of the adaptive immune system? The answer is A. Cytotoxic T cells. On a dartboard, what number is directly opposite no? What? The answer is C. 19. Which Las Vegas casino was originally constructed and operated by mobster Bugsy Siegel? The answer is C. The Flamingo. What physics principle relates the net electric flux out of a closed surface to the charge enclosed by that surface? The answer is D. Gauss's law. In One Piece, what does the Pirate King mean to the captain of the Straw Hat Pirates? The answer is B. Freedom. In which Call of Duty game are the Apothicons introduced in the Zombies mode? The answer is A. Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman 3. In JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, which character is able to accelerate time? The answer is C. Enrico Pucci. What is the first element on the periodic table?